we're about to see what this thing do. So I'm back in Pennsylvania. This is hopefully going to be one of the final van days that we got. I'm heading over to Tyler's to get this wrapped right now, but I pulled the van out and the gas leak started again. So, fuck me.
Very first light, Chief. Stars come through. Sharks in the water.
It looks like it's just another section of line, so it looks like it's going to be another 5-minute, $5 type fix. So, Cadillac has keyless entry. So, hopefully the gas leak isn't going to be too bad. I'm going to go fucking dump some in here, and we're off. So, I got to brake slow because everything's sliding around in the back. And what side is the gas tank on? On the left. Ah! To make matters worse, I've had a bunch of credit card charges that weren't supposed to be put through. Best Buy was billing me for that monitor every day for 2 weeks, so Wells Fargo issued me a new card, and now I have no debit card to get anything done, or time to go to the bank to withdraw cash. You gotta tell me there's no motherfucking Apple Pay on this thing? And if it's a pump without Apple Pay, fuck my life. Tyler hates me. Take a peek. I mean, I gotta like tighten up some dumb shit.
I was gonna tuck them under this rubber.
Dude. I'm so stoked to be. I know your dad thinks I'm a fucking pain in the ass. Yeah.
Depends on the day.
Yeah, no, I am a pain in the ass. I'm worse than you guys.
So you have no idea what girl we're talking about?
I don't have a fucking clue what girl you're talking about. A girl with a puppy.
A girl with a puppy. Dark hair. It was dark hair. Kind of long.
Not a fucking clue. What did she look like? Is she hot or?
No, she was hot. No, she was really cute. She was really pretty. You didn't tell me her name.
But that gives me an idea whether it was like a friend.
She could have easily been like a new girlfriend at the time.
Oh fuck yeah, this is exactly what we need.
of my fails. Sick of my job, might pick up a scale. Said I'm so sick of this hell. Sick of these bills, ain't shit in the mail. I turn on the radio, they ain't playing no hits. We the same old shit, running with the same old clip. Had to pull a Will Smith, yeah, nigga had a switch script. They like, damn, bro, where you get the whip? I'm like, nigga, don't need trip. Dudes try to keep up on that expensive shit. Fuck around, I might miss your rent. I need one, I keep one. Said I probably stop, she like, keep on. That's motivation. I need cash till I can't even fold a penny. I may be young, but my soul is Asian. She black, but her eyes stay low in Asian. Man, your flow so old and dated. Nigga, fuck you and the clothes you came in. If you don't like the life you live, to change it. I'ma make sure my future bright. Tasman's a boy with an ounce of patience. And I don't really smoke, but grabs a pipe, cause I feel brand new. Said I feel brand new. Feel brand new. Feel brand new. Said I feel brand new. Feel brand new. Feel brand new. Yeah, I feel brand new. Tell me how about you? Feel brand new. Said I feel brand new. Feel brand new, cause these cars brand new. And them big brand new. Said it's all brand new. Like a new soul, just said I feel brand new. Tell me how about you? I feel brand new. Said I feel brand new. Said I feel brand new. Like a new soul, just said I feel brand new. Feel brand new. Holy Father, somebody better go and get the holy water. Y'all checking us and we cashing checks, but only fuck with us and say fuck the rest. Y'all passing Dutch but can't pass the test. Just pass the dragon, talk hoes and fashion. Man couldn't work on time every day and he crying for the raise. Boss say he got a wife he don't even really like and a house that's way overpriced, but he still gotta round up tight. Now he started thinking that his life ain't right. He just need a little, cause he on the edge right now. Wrong side of the bed right now. Bitch, give me that.
Push. Drive. Push. You gotta push to stay alive. Push. Drive. Push. In the game of surviving, someone die.
Hey, yeah, hey, headed home on a train. Man fall asleep, try to ease that pain, cause he tired of the. Has a little dream about a place where he ain't gotta be another rat in no race. A place called Willoughby Lane where everybody knows his name and he don't have to change. But he never makes it out of his seat. Wakes up before he can even make it to his feet. Back to work, he can't focus. Thinks he'd rather be homeless. Tries to push through the day, but it's hopeless. Wife yells in his face and he don't notice. As soon as he gets to that part of his day, soon as he gets to that seat on the train, close his eyes and everything goes away. Said he's trying to be up at Willoughby Lane.
Push. Drive. Push. You gotta push to stay alive. Push. Drive.
What's up? It's wrap day. We're almost done. Tyler has the hood and the driver's side done. We're laminating the passenger side now. And then we gotta do the tent separately. Enjoy the time lapse. This is the next to the last panel. There's some text on the door. But Bruce is done. My watch died, so that means it's probably 3 a.m. Hands, bitch, hands. Yo, this is literally the only fucking joy I've had in like 6 months.
What?
Seeing this bitch get completed. I'm so sick of backaches.
For the last 10 hours.
He got you there.
Everybody's fucking limping. I can't get over the fucking wheels. It just fucking looks ridiculous.
Just look quickly at the girl in the letters.
I gotcha. I see it.
Does it look like Simba up on the rock?
A little bit.
The head?
That's a white girl.
Somewhere she has music videos.
It is 5 a.m. But the van is done. We just finished. Tyler's back there closing up. I now have to go shuffle cars because I have 2 vehicles to return to New York. And I can only drive one at a time. Tyler loves my last minute ideas. How do you feel?
Tired. One good.
Thanks, dude. I'll hit you up. Obviously send you copies. But don't worry, it'll be out of your driveway when you wake up.
You can sit there for all I care.
No, I care. I'm returning with this motherfucker. All this work, I'm returning. All right, that's a wrap on Bruce. I'm Sean Cooper, and if you like my last minute ideas, I'm too fucking exhausted to do this. I'll be sure to tap the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon so you can get notified when I commit to huge projects that are essentially suicide missions. See you all next year.
1 hour later.
It's 6 a.m. Foggy as hell. It's actually 6:30. Got the van back to the house. I would show you a preview, but the sun's not up yet. So I'm gonna go take a nap.
This is awesome.
Hey, yeah, dude. Oh, yeah.